Hi everyone, I'm Yavor Stoychev, Senior Software Developer at MentorMate. Today I'm going to talk about functional programming. Functional programming is a way of thinking about software construction by creating pure functions. What does that mean? A pure function is a function which, given the same input, always returns the same output, produces no side effects. Functional code tends to be more concise, more predictable, and easier to test than imperative or object-oriented code. But if you're unfamiliar with it and the common patterns associated with it, functional code can also seem a lot more dense. Functional programming also avoids concepts of shared state and mutable data observed in object-oriented programming. A mutable object is any object which can be modified after it's created. An immutable object, from the other hand, is an object that cannot be modified after it's created. That means that you should easily be able to create objects instead of modifying ones. Not having a shared state helps us to debug the code quickly. The problem with the shared state is that in order to understand the effects of a function, you have to know the entire history of every shared variable that the function uses or depends on. My favorite concept of functional programming is composition. With all pure functions, we compose rather than extend classes, also known as composition over inheritance. That helps reducing complex problems into smaller pieces. In general, I like functional programming because it makes you think about the problems in a more abstract mathematical way. Thanks for watching and see you soon.